Hey yo, so I don't think my last video recorded, so I'm just recording this again real quick. Right now I'm at idle, and the reading shows 0.3 psi. So I'm about to do a pull right quick and show you what the reading shows when I do a pull. And we'll see if this is connected the right way because I don't think it is. So let's see right quick. I wasn't looking at my speedometer, but that was a good 0 to 60, maybe even faster than that. I wasn't sure. I wasn't looking at my speedometer, but yeah. So tell me what you think.